To add Apple email alias on iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up settings. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on the Apple account name. In here, tap on iCloud. Then tap on mail. From here, tap on addresses. Then tap on add alias. Here, type in the email alias that you would like to use. So for example, David demo at iCloud.com, full name, David, and tap on the accept button. If that alias is available, then you can use it. So now Apple will go and check to see if there is an available alias. Here says this address is already in use, so we can't use that one. We can try something else. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that one is available and we can use it. And that's it. So you can now send email using the alias instead of your actual email address. And that's it. Finally, you can go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.